I'm Gary Huppert, Product Manager with Federal Signal, and I want to introduce the new G-Series Loudspeaker. The devices are available in a 70 and 100 volt RMS audio input, capable of producing 96 dB at 10 feet or 106 dB at 1 meter. There's 10 available tap settings. It's a 15 watt speaker, so you can go from 15 to 0.1 watt. They're all manufactured from GRP, which is an anti-static, impact-resistant, corrosion-resistant material. They carry a global certification for hazardous location, UL and CUL, Class 1 Div 2, and an ATEX IECEX Zone 1 and Zone 21. As with the rest of the G-Series platform, all of the devices come as a D, the flameproof, or the DE with the increased safety. They can all be surface mounted or use the adjustable U-bracket. They're standalone, they're fantastic signaling devices, or they can be configured with the rest of the platform to create multiple signal devices. This is just another example of the flexibility of the Federal Signal G-Series.